Hi everyone, I appreciate you stopping in today to see what I am up to. And I just received this little white bag in the mail, and this is my Sleigh Glam Bag. And for the second month, this is the September 2020 bag. It didn't come in their traditional packaging. That was 50% of the reason why I joined that one, because of the cute packaging. Like I said, I just opened it. Let me tell you a little bit about Sleigh Glam. Before we get started, it is $24 a month. You receive 5 to 7 full-size beauty products. I loved the awesome, like the handbag or the purse packaging. That was, you know, the cutest part of the subscription. Honestly, makeup is makeup. I can get this in any bag. You get makeup, skincare, beauty tools, or fashion. I haven't seen fashion in pretty much anybody's bag. Promise value of $100, and you can customize like choice of, like if there's 2 palettes, you can pick which one you want, that is always a nice feature. And like I said, this is bag number 2. This is the September 2020 bag. I'm just going to pull everything out because it is easier for me than digging in the bag. The October bag I was charged for, so we will see what that one brings. I can honestly say, so far, I'm not impressed at all with Sleigh Glam bag. Here comes another one with, I just received the September bag, and it's October, let me tell you the date, October 3rd. But October 1st, they went and billed me for the October bag, and I still didn't have the September bag. I don't like that. So probably after I get this next bag for October, this will be canceled, and I will look elsewhere. Like I said, I can get this from any box or bag. I chose Sleigh Glam, 1 for the packaging, and 2 to support a local, or more local small company. Just drop this, but there are plenty of them out there, and that don't have late shipping. So if I'm going to be billed on the 1st, but I don't receive it until the 3rd-ish of the following month, I have a problem with that, and I will not stick with it. So probably after the October bag, this is gone. As fast as it came, as fast as it's going. So let's get right into this. We received no card with no information. So they can say it's a $100 value, but now I have to go search out 5 products and see, are they really full size, and what are the prices? And this is from South, I would assume this is Maine. Right here. And this is Mint Lip Balm. You can see it right there. This does have a seal on it, so I'm going to leave it sealed. I have so many lip balms. I might include that in, my giveaway drawers, just because I just can't continue to keep all these lip products. Getting out of control. Oh, here I am opening this without showing to you. This is from Hikari, and this is a highlighter, and this is in Havana. Don't know what the shade of Havana is, but we'll find out in just a second. So this is the packaging. Let's open this. That's very, it smells like chemicals. I hate that when products smell like that. This is very chunky, like glittery and sparkly, which is fine, but I don't like that in a highlighter, so this will definitely get shared in, Hikari is a very nice brand, in a giveaway. I prefer a matte highlighter, matte blush. I don't like all that glitter stuff on my face. Then the next item is right here in this little bubble mailer thing. Okay, it's taped. Let's open this up. Okay, save the packaging. We'll put it right back in the packaging. Oof, can't get this out. It's pretty tight in this little envelope. Okay. So this is from, this is Illuminati Cosmetics. They're in Calabasas, California. So that's what this is. This is called Golden Rule, and this is a quad palette, and it does tell you that on the back. And let's open this and see what this looks like up close and personal. So that is definitely, all your golds and good glitters for your eye. I don't use glitter, so once again, I will share that in my drawer for the giveaway boxes. And this is nice. This is from Sourmet Treatment Cosmetics, and this is Always Perfect Brows. Professional Brow Shaping Kit. And I don't know if there's a shade on this. Let me see if I can see if there's a shade. Walnut 37. That's going to be way too dark for me. I usually stick with more on the, even though I have dark hair, like light brown hair, I usually stick with the blonde shades because, believe it or not, they're like ideal for me. Oh, this is very interesting. Whoops. I like this. This will be a great kit to pass on to someone. How do I get into the brow product? Maybe through the bottom. Okay. Let's see if it'll come out this way. No. How does this come out? Oh, it pushes up. Okay. Well, this was difficult. Yeah, okay, let's see here. So this is what the brow product... Okay, let me get that. Hopefully that did not break. Ooh, I don't know if I can reach that. Okay. Okay, so this is... I'll hold this a little bit better. And this is Walnut 37. There. And this just like pops up at the top. Did not break, thank God. So that's the shade of it. Very dark. So you have to have dark. This is actually cute packaging. I'm going to put that back in this. Slides in here nicely so that, I don't know how that was in here. Let's see if I can get that semi back in the box. And then what you received also is, which I'm not going to take this out and touch this. This is a little, you know, applicator brush, which is perfect. And what I think is adorable is here you have three, I think there's 3 of them here. Let me see if I can separate them. One. I have a set of these already, so I'm not going to be keeping this, obviously. There's either 2 or 3 here. It feels like 3, but I can't separate them. And this is to define, give you, like, put it over your brow to help you define your shape if you are unsure. So that is a great, great product. And I don't have the brow kit from Sourmet. I'm trying to think who mine is from, but I have those layovers. I don't generally use them, but if I really wanted to vamp up my brows, I mean, I could do it without, but if I wanted a specific shape, you know, I could with, you know, powders and then use concealer to clean it up and give it that crisp look. That's a great product. I will share that in a giveaway just because Walnut is too dark. Looks like we have a palette here, and this is in a double bubble wrap, so there's 1, 2 to help keep it secure. And who makes this? Is this... I guess it's Secret Beauty, distributed by Secret Beauty in Los Angeles, California. This is a cute packaging. 16 shades. Oh, just popped a bubble. Leaned on the packaging. Let's see how this... They always slide out easier one way, but which way? Oh, why can't I get this out? Oh, there we go. You know, inside packaging looks the same. Oh, that top is weighty. Just dropped the safety shield on the floor. And this is a very cute palette. Very, very cute. 18-month shelf life, which is good. And there's a leaping bunny on the back, so that's always good. I am so sorry. I think I've dropped 3 out of the 5 products in here. Did have a safety shield on it. Let me just get a better look at this myself. Some nice shades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 out of the 16 are, you know, shimmer glitter. And only the other 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are matte. Are they all matte? So, nice palette. Like I said, I've been keeping way too much stuff for myself lately. I have not been keeping a ton of eyeshadow palettes, but I will share that also with the giveaway portion. So out of this entire bag, I'm not keeping anything. I mean, I would keep the mint lip balm personally because I would use that, but I have so many of these that I haven't even opened, so I will share that. I don't like, oh, there could have been another drop. I don't like glitters, so that is no good. I don't like glitter highlighter, so that's no good. This palette I probably would not keep just because of all the glitter. And this I would not keep regardless because it's too dark of a brown. If this was a light brown, a golden, a dark blonde, then I would definitely keep it because brow products, especially powders, they last a while. So out of the 5 products, I'm going to use all 5 for a giveaway, which I am perfectly fine with. But I'm also not going to continue to pay $24 a month to not keep anything. These are all items that I won't use. So it's not like I can use them but choose to give them away. I would say 4 out of the 5 I won't use, and this I would, but one little product is not going to make or break me, and this is not worth $24 for me to keep this one. So tell me what you think about Slay Glam Bag. After seeing the September bag, I was not overly impressed with the August bag. I'm not overly impressed with this bag. So after the October bag, this is definitely going to go onto my list to be canceled. I had a few others on my list that I did cancel. I canceled Cloak Set Jewelry. I canceled the Glow Addict Beauty bag, and I'm keeping the Glow Addict Beauty box. And what was the third one that I canceled? I don't remember right now. There was another one. And then I was considering Nadine West, but I don't pay any fee to get it. So the hassle part of Nadine West is taking it back to the post office, but that's not really a hassle if I have to go there anyway with other bags. So I'm not sure still what to do with Nadine West. And then between FabFitFun and CauseBox, once I get my fall CauseBox, one of them is going to be canceled. I'm not keeping both. That's just ridiculous to spend. They're $50 boxes. I'm only going to keep one of those, because I still have my Luxe. And I'm just not keeping both of those. So tell me what you think of Slay Glam. Not impressed. I can get this in any box. There's nothing special about this. So they will go after October, sadly to say. We'll see what October has, and that's okay. I always give 3-month subscription a try. 1 month might not be great for me, but the second and third might be, so then I might keep it. But so far, the first 2 have been mediocre. Like I said, not impressed. But you tell me what you think. And I hope you're all doing well. And I will see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.